makespacebykp, a boat building and woodworking channel. This episode is 3 steps back.
At least there's not a leak.
I thought I fixed the leak. I didn't fix the leak. Also, when I varnished, the air from my shop leaked into my house and I nearly poisoned my family, which they were not happy about.
I've sealed some of the gaps with spray foam. I have more gaps to seal with caulking. It definitely smells in here from the varnish. It's just as bad in that middle room as it is in the shop. At least there's not a leak and it's wet outside. At least there's not a leak. At least there's not a leak and it's...
Help me keep sharing progress. Subscribe, like, donate on Patreon. So join me this week. Caulking of various sorts, tearing out drywall, discovering the leak, and solutioning. I imagine there's some air going through all those gaps between the 2x6s. Oh. Oh.
It's just like Heron.
If, like me, you've been missing Heron at all lately, take a gander at this. This'll heal us all of our memories.
So I'm guessing that there's more leaks. Oh, I didn't get that seam either. There's plenty of room for air to go through there now, isn't there? It's no surprise. He said it. I vacuumed the organic matter that is reminiscent of Heron back in the good old days. And I will continue to spray foam and caulk the heck out of every gap I can find. Here I'm ready to do the last bit for the night, and surprise, there's water. That is such a bummer. There it is, wet again. I'm gonna call it a night. It's not a leak today. There's the far end of my shop, the part that's not leaking, because that roof is sloped. But where it joins the house is where our problem is. The leak is back. Clearly, it's been poorly fixed already. What do you know? Oh, there's a big hole. That's a good one right there. Yeah, it's about where the leak is worst. I'm shocked. This is my shocked face. The temperatures won't allow me removing the screws and filling the holes and really fixing that right now. So I'm gonna take a short, quick fix so I can carry on with Heron parts. Oh, this is gonna be funny. Funny looking, whatever.
Calling that good. Tarp is in place above us. I have spray foamed again, caulked again. My fans aren't in yet, but this is the test. A bunch of parts and pieces are ready for a coat of varnish. There's a big pile of them not touched. But today I'm going to hotbox the shop with incense and see if I smell up the house or not. Cross your fingers. Okay, here we go. Smoke it up. Ready, Scribbles? It's been about an hour and a quarter. I smell a little incense. Here we go. It's very incensey in here. It's incensey. No varnishing today. Plenty of sanding to do. I shall sand. Yeah, feel you, bud. So I will scrape and sand until I can truly isolate and ventilate my shop.
Ew.
Well, I need to restore Heron. The health of my family is way more important. Well, it's better. Well, at least it warms me up. In the very near future, I hope to have more information about potentially bringing the boat closer to my home, where things will be much more efficient and I can do work directly on the boat. Thanks for watching, and if you want to help me continue making videos, please support me on Patreon. Comment, like, and subscribe. Thanks so much.